guys, Mike at Affiliates Bluevine Farm, and I want to show you something beautiful. Hey guys, Mike at Affiliates Bluevine Farm, and I want to show you something beautiful. I was just walking along the street, and look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look how that grew out of a crack in the concrete. Incredible. Let's look at another example. Look what is growing out of a crack in the concrete. Look how amazing this is. See how its will to live is just so strong. See how this beautiful flower is growing out of a crack in the concrete. This is an amazing plant, and it's just a wonderful experience to walk down the street and see something beautiful like this. And it just goes to show you how nature is so unpredictable and how life always finds a way. To me, this is a reminder, no matter how busy you get, don't forget to stop and smell nature. Wonderful, fragrant. A beautiful experience and a great way to end the season of 2022.